Yo, what's goody, y'all? What's goody? I wanted to show you guys how I make my veggie wraps, okay? I'm gonna make a veggie wrap. For those that know, I'm vegetarian 100%. So that means I don't eat any meat or seafood, but I still incorporate dairy, okay? But I want to go completely vegan, but I'm not there yet, okay? So these are the items that I'm using. This is a veggie burger. I already cooked it. I put some cheese on it and I cut it in half, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so there's no meat. This is black bean and corn salsa, coleslaw that consists of cabbage and carrots, roasted red pepper hummus, tomato, cucumber. This is a spinach and herb wrap, baby spinach, and sour cream. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make my veggie wrap. So to start off with the wrap, I'm gonna, of course, place the wrap on the plate, okay? So this is what the wrap looks like out of the packaging. All right, so now I'm gonna take my roasted red pepper hummus and place it on there and spread it out, like so. All right, so now I'm gonna place my veggie burger on there. I added cheese to it, and this is what it looks like on the wrap. All right, so I cut up some cucumber and tomato, so I'm gonna add some of it to the wrap, like so. I'm just gonna layer it. All right, so here I have some black bean and corn salsa, so I'm gonna add that to it as well. So I'm gonna take a spoon or two and place it on there. Yeah, about 2 spoons. And just spread it out. All right, so here I have some coleslaw. It's basically green cabbage and carrots. I'm gonna add it to there. All right, so I added some baby spinach to it. All right, and I'll take a spoon of sour cream and add it to the top. All right, so I have some California raisins. I'm gonna add to it as well. Just top it on there. All right, so last but not least are the sauces. These are the dressings that I'll be using. I'm gonna use honey mustard and Asian sesame dressing, okay? And then we're gonna be all done. Here's the honey mustard. Not too much, just a couple of drops. And here is the sesame dressing. That's about it. And we're gonna fold up the wrap. All right, so there's the veggie wrap that I made for my lunch, and I'm just gonna add some green grapes to it. There you go. It's kind of full, so yeah, but that's my lunch. Very healthy. All right, so this is the inside of the wrap. Look at all the deliciousness. Period. I did my thing.